Hey, this is Tyler Martinez, a senior account executive over here at Oggvo. Today, what we're going to be going over is how to have a successful open house, how to get more value out of it, and most importantly, how to get more clients out of it. So stay with me. This will be short, easy to understand. And if you ever need help with it, we're just a phone call away. Either reach out to your account executive or your account manager, and we'll be happy to help. So talking about the open house, it's pretty simple. The main thing that you'll need is going to be a digital flyer. So some type of link online to house information, a QR code created specifically from the Oggvo platform, cookies and or treats, knowledge of the home, and then your business card. Now, once you have that, you have an open house scheduled, you're ready to go. When people come into that house that you're showing, have them scan a QR code to get information on the home. This will be your digital flyer. So some type of link to your website, for example, that has house information. Offer them a cookie or whatever you decide to bring, and ask them the typical questions. Do you have an agent? What interested you in the home? What other areas are you looking at? Now, since most people have an agent, most agents at the open house will treat this like it's not an opportunity. They'll tell them to go see the house, and then most likely they'll be on their phone until they leave. That behavior is a waste of your time, and it will have you going through open houses feeling like you just wasted your whole weekend. Now, what we want to do is make one small little adjustment that will absolutely change the way that you feel about an open house. What we want to do is treat that client like they don't have an agent, and really turn the open house experience into a knowledgeable presentation where the shopper feels like they're informed about that house. Some of us forget that we're in a relationship building business. So put your friendly cap on, right? See how you can build value for these people viewing your home, and see how you can represent yourself as well. Now, talk to them about when the house was built, square footage, school district ratings, walking ratings, neighborhood news. Bring everything out. Bring them as much value as you can. At this point, when you're done with the showing, you've given them cookies, or you've given them candy or a drink. You've had them scan the digital flyer, provided great value for them in the form of detailed house information. You've made small talk with them, and now you're ready to send them on their way. But wait, this is where the opportunity comes into play. You hand them your business card and you say, "Thank you so much for the opportunity to show you this house. Do you mind considering doing one small thing for me?" They're going to say yes. "Can you scan this and leave me a review on how I did at my open house?" Of course, no obligation, but it would help me build my reputation as a real estate agent, and it would truly mean a lot to me. With this method, this small change in your open houses, you're able to build your digital presence online as a reputable real estate agent locally, and turning prospects who have an agent into value for your business in the form of 5-star reviews. Okay. Now, since you're going to use this method to build your reputation, let's fast forward 2 months. You've done an open house every other week. You've done 4 open houses in the last 2 months. You do an open house, you do a great presentation, and again, you ask for a review. Now, here's where you start to win business. They scan to leave you a review. They see your online presence. Then they question their current agent and find out their current agent has little to no reputation, and decide to switch agents because you won the business due to your experience and the reputation that you have online. Now, that is how you have a successful open house. Using this method, we've seen brand new agents with 4 months of experience have more reputation than veterans with 30 years of experience. With this method, you'll not only be reputable, but because of the interactions and your reputation, you'll be able to show up higher in the Google 3-pack and pick up new business organically from Google. All right, team, it's time to schedule your next open house and dominate your local competition. If you want to dig into this method more, please reach out to your account manager and they'll help you right away. Hope you all enjoyed this and will apply this method to your next open house.